Let's do it, Chris Brown. Hey, listen to me. Why are you ignoring? It's not gonna happen. Okay, now listen to me. Monga tanga pipana galalam manhe jing shisha. You broke my heart again.
Way too late. Heal my heart. Hello guys.
Everyone. Meghalaya people, Khasi people, welcome back again. This is Gabs Gabi from Africa.
And
welcome.
this is Subi from Nepal.
Yeah, and today what? Today is something special. Have you realized something? Yeah, she's wearing Meghalaya dress, guys.
How do I look, guys?
Meghalaya traditional dress. So we got this from one of our friend by the name Sweetie. She's from Meghalaya. She was my college friend, and we visit her home. Her mom gave us this. So thank you so much. Now we are making it useful. So thank you so much, Sweetie, once again. And we are so happy for that. So we are going to check
LUKHIMAI.
LUKHIMAI. What does it mean? Tell us, guys. It is from Joelan and Wanbhaa.
Wanbhaa.
This is our favorite guys of all time. And you know, they're the trending gangster out there in the city, guys. So we're going to check. This is the latest music video, guys. We don't want to waste time. I'm so curious to watch them. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Let's go. Yes, connected?
Yes.
Mar local. This is their music industry. Music industry. Yes, let's do. Let's see. This is Joelan. This is Wanbhaa now. Okay, tell us.
There's no subtitle.
No subtitle. Marway. Gonna be. Wow, see the look. See the waterfall and the beauty. The location is amazing. And the people are just so beautiful out there.
The crown is nice.
Yeah, that crown, right? Yeah. Because of you, I will never leave. My love for you is just something big. I can never express how much I love you.
He's making his own lyrics.
Oh, this is the best dancer in the city. Best guy. Oh, let's do it. To the left, to the right. Those guys, they give so nice vibes. See how fast they are there. Wait. Now we are going to see Wanbhaa. This is Wanbhaa part.
Wanbhaa and his girlfriend.
Yeah, previous part was Joelan with his girlfriend. Yeah, I know. They are living the real life. I know everything, guys. That's so nice. That's so nice to being real and being honest. You people are so beautiful, guys. I just can't imagine it. Let's check Wanbhaa. Let's do it, Chris Brown. Hey, listen to me. Why are you ignoring? It's not gonna happen. Okay, now listen to me. Monga tanga pipana galalam manhe jing shisha. You broke my heart again.
Way too late. Heal my heart.
Even if you run out,
I'll still chase for you because you are my everything.
Wow, this is so nice, guys. Hey. This is so nice. See the flow, just how he's speaking so slowly. Hey, hey, close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
This is not for you. Hey. I have to give you this flower. This flower. Joelan, do something, bro. Dance. Please do something. Yeah, this is so nice. Yeah, this is nice, Joelan. See, I'm just sweating, man.
Her hair color looks good.
Wow,
I like the
they deserve flowers. They deserve more flowers.
flowers for you guys.
This is for you, not for those guys, for those ladies, because they are looking just.
Boys, men are men.
Okay? Men, they don't need flowers.
Men.
Wow, wow, wow. This is just.
Oh, sorry.
I'm even sweating,
Oops,
man.
sorry.
I'm even sweating. I'm just sweating. This is so amazing, guys. I don't know how to express, but I'm just little mad also. I'm mad because of one thing only.
Because they didn't add subtitles.
Yes. Why so rude? Wanbhaa and Joelan. Why becoming so rude? You should provide. You guys are global, man. You can't provide amazing quality music video like this without subtitle. What the?
I think they will put it slowly.
You should keep that, guys. I want to know the meaning of this music video, because this music video can be maybe my marriage, my wedding music video, guys. Because the way I can see, like, it's, you see this music video, they separated two parts. Like, first Joelan was expressing, talking to the girlfriend, right? Then also Wanbhaa came with his part. For sure, the expression might be different, but it is definitely something unique. What do you think about it?
Yes,
Huh?
it's good.
What do you think?
That
Yeah.
location is so good.
See-
That waterfall and those top
Yeah,
of
the
the
waterfalls,
hill.
right?
Top of the hill also. That
See,
sunset and sunrise.
I'm even sweating, man. I'm even sweating.
Because
man.
it's so hot out here.
Yeah, I saw it out here, and the music is also hot,
Hot.
guys. It's hot because you
Red
guys
hot.
red hot. You burn it the rose, guys. The rose got burned. Like the rose was so beautiful, and so much eyes into the rose, so it got burned. Amazing couples ever seen, guys. Stay real. This is real life you guys are living. And I also love the dance of those two boys. Those two boys, guys, they have energy.
I think people from Meghalaya are good dancers.
Yeah,
They know how
guys,
to
you should
dance.
support those guys also, guys. Support their page, guys. They are really doing so nice. Because of them, they also completed, they made the music video look so professional. Because let's say if the music video was only about expression,
Expressing love.
it will be little boring also, right? Now if they will perform in the stage, like outside this song with this
It will be
dance,
so fun.
100%
Just like
amazing.
pop song, pop music.
Exactly. Thank you so much. Don't forget subscribe. Subscribe to my channel and subscribe to those two boys, guys. They made the music also amazing. All the best, Joelan, Wanbhaa, my local team, love from Africa. Peace out. Bamba Club.